What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to generate best long tail keywords to get search engine ranking, to gain traffic, to gain views and clicks from Google, okay? To your blog posts, for example. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in our choose internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. The very first thing to do is go to Google and type QuestionsDB. The questions database, it's a almost free tool that you can start using to generate the best long tail keywords. Okay, we're gonna learn how to generate and test those keywords for you. This is really important if you are a content creator or a blogger. Imagine that you would like to write a blog post about WordPress. So you must enter with a word related to your blog post, your content right here, and click on generate. This tool gonna take a moment. Remember, we are using the free options right here, no need to pay absolutely anything, just in the case that you are a heavy user. But let's start for free in order to test, okay? And here is the results. We're gonna be showing 60 results right here, and you can see common search and database search related to WordPress, so related topics: WordPress, free site, best themes, website theme, plugins, and source. Look at this one right here, for example. Is WordPress really to use? This is a common question that if you write about it, is most likely you're gonna gain tons of traffic to your posts, gonna appear into the search, okay? So you're gonna answer a very common question from people. And how to test if this is a good long tail keyword for a post? You can go to this other tool right here, the AnswerThePublic. You already have a guide explaining how to use this, but let's redo this. So we're gonna enter with this question right here. So just copy from the QuestionsDB site, post right here, change the location of your search, for example United States, the language, and go to search. You're gonna need to enter your account. Here is the results you got, okay? You can see a lot of questions related to this one that you can combine to be all your long tail keywords into this really nice graphic. And you can learn from this, okay? You can see the questions, we can see the proportions, the comparisons, from alphabetic, and all of those tools give you important data for free, okay? So you can learn from this right here and combine these two options in order to create the best long tail keywords for your blog, okay? Remember, we are using the free options, of course. The premium gonna have more features, but let's try to keep it for free even while the startup stage, okay? So you can combine those two options and create the best long tail keywords for your blog, okay? But let me know into the comments if you know these tools, if you like one of these, if you use one of these frequently. And don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin to gain widgets for doing your WordPress website, our best free WordPress theme, the Enzo WordPress theme, or blogging community network, the growthwithtws.net. You can even get listed right here for free. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go Pro in order to unlock access to our full library of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium block, assets, templates, features, and many more options while doing your site. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!